And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you how to create ordered lists. So this is the second type of list that we can use via HTML. It uses the OL tag. The syntax basically works like for the unordered list that I've already talked about, but instead of UL we're using OL, and then we'll use the LE tags for list items. Let me copy this and create two more. If I save it, reload it, you can see we've got 1, 2, 3 as an ordered list. And we can put our items in between our LE tags. By default it looks like this, but we've got a couple of attributes that we can use. But first let me show you as a reminder, this was the unordered list, so we'll get bullet points. By default it's numerical, starting at 1, or we can use a different type, for example capital letters. We'll put it as an attribute in our OL tag. I've set this the default. We can use lowercase letters. We can even use Roman numbers, so use a small I or a capital I. Another attribute that you can use is the reversed attribute. By default we've got 1, 2, 3, and if we reverse it, it's going to be 3 to 1. So the order is just turned on its head. A third attribute that's specific for these lists is the start attribute. We can, for example, start at the number 3. I've got the normal order again, so 1, 2, 3 is the order, and we'll start at 3, so it goes from 3 up to 5, and we can combine that. So use start and reversed. And let me make the start like a 5, and now we've got 5, 4, 3. And we can add a different type. Let me use letters, capital. And now we've got a reverse, which would be CBA. But I start at 5, which is the 5th letter. So we have EDC. And this is how you can use the OL tag and its related attributes in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.